2016 to 2019 Chevy Volt USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a Chevy Volt. I'm going to show you how to replace the aux port that's down here in the center console right here. We're going to need a tool called a plastic pry bar interior tool. It's right here. I'll link it below. They're like $5. You get like 4 or 5 different types in one pack. So we're going to use this to get in here. And it's plastic, so it won't scratch any of your interior. What we're going to do is come into the side and push this in between the USB port and the center console and kind of twist it to kind of pop it out a little bit, kind of like that. I don't know if you can see it, but once it comes out a little bit, we're going to take the hook part and we're going to go to the top. There's a little plastic retainer tab that we're going to try to push down on and then kind of wiggle and pull this out. Mine didn't have that much resistance. It actually kind of came out once I started working the sides. You can kind of work all around it. It'll pop out and then you can kind of grab it and gently pull it forward. The wires are decent enough to where you can pull it out a little bit. We're going to get these 2 connectors out. There's a thumb tab in the center of both of them. The gray one's kind of stubborn, but the black one's pretty straightforward. The black one just has a tiny button though, so it kind of sucks if you have fat fingers like me. And then this one, you're going to kind of push the button down and pull it backwards. Don't pull it by the wires. Do not let those go back into the center console or you're going to have problems. Here's the part number. There's alternative part numbers too. This thing has like 4 part numbers. Now they sell this on Amazon. They have OEM ones for $89 or aftermarket ones for half the price, which I recommend going OEM, but you can go aftermarket if you want. Here's all those different part numbers for the same part. So anyways, just want to tell you that. But once you get your new one, we're going to come in here and all you got to do is plug in the connectors and then you're good to go. So I plugged in my black connector. It only goes in one way. And then the gray connector, you got to be kind of patient because there's like a connector within a connector. But get those in nice and perfect. And then there's a little notch on the top or on the side, and it needs to go into the notch hole on the side of the hole there. And that's it. Nothing else needed to do. You're all set. All right, thanks for watching the video. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is they're really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.